Hoksong along Swatch Sarvekshan Gramin Apothak Mai Kangni. West Karbi Anglong Tumpreng Agriculture Seed Farm Asayhem along Saikya Tumchido Bangbe. Swami Vivekananda Assam Youth Empowerment Yojana Kapachunjia Pan West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner RDKP. Kardom News Time along Penili Bilabon Kropi Non Biotang Tonpen Archek Tha Swatch Sarvekshan Gramin Alam Rong Sorapan Kipachini Japan Pai Sirkep Arni Amri Constituency Hoksong Kilapata Community Hall along Chiroktaga Maipado MSc Prabhachandro Taro Chatongdun. West Karbi Anglong District Agriculture Seed Farm Asayhem along Pai ni Pai Nerkep Arni Pherangke Kahmri Damhur Saikhe Tak Thekdamlong Lepusi Kat News along Pherangke Pen Biuta Nang Pale.
Pherangke Pen Biuta Nang Pale Atengki Kahmri Dam Apora Hut ADO la Pen Manager Pen Chenglok Sayhem along Kedo An Achokumar Atum Inut Aphanta Theklong Le Pusi Biuta Long Agriculture Asayhem Tumpreng Seed Farm along Pen Benan Arat Atum Sitame Agriculture Loan La Pen Thesere Arong Kowe Arong Sok Tengthea Chili Pen Chenglok Asona Chili Sitame Longpon Bomlo Bon Sitame Ladak Asai Kia Tumpen Kachingki Kachethan Lapen Bidesore Kache Pachoilong Diapan Akisungdo Atheke Labang So Asayhem along Saikia Tum Apor Atengpen Amena Anghoy along Chedo Wangve Lapen Mentune Arni Penke Sai Kacheklem Thekdamlong Le Pusi Pherangke Kahumri Dam Hut Rada Tumpen Than Pachini
Namalam so por pan bir tamun tamanik sina. Please tap in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Aturkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Aturkimi Outlet opposite Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesire alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecho ajam tu Tharmit Aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor Pen Chenglok Ongdung Hemalong Akenang Sot Hormu Longpon Ikji.
Dihanamo Piputhat Biota Long Bangtholo, West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner, Devajyoti Hajarika Pen Assam Minister Sarpo, Sarbananda Sonowal Pen Kedeng Swami Vivekananda Assam Youth Empowerment, Yojana Kapachunjia Pan Sai Kedeng Pon Abiota Card News along Nang Pale. Alangli, Yojana along Arpukedo Abang Pot Tupen NRC along Menke Klang Dunde Potakta Bidisure Chitan Pontu.
West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Devajyoti Hajarika Pen Assam Minister Sarpo Sarbananda Sonowal Pen Kedeng Swami Vivekananda Assam Youth Empowerment Yojana Kapachunjia Pan Sai Kedeng Pon Abiota Card News along Biltanang Pale. Alangli Yojana along Arpukedo Abang Po Atumpen NRC along Menke Klang Dunde Aputakta Bidisure Chitan Pontu.
Dipurong Supi, Ponglang Some Karmate DRDA Chokomar Mohendra Tisu Pan, Pai Chokarne Guwahati Railway Station Ben Theklong Ledet Pusi Card News along Birtanangli.
Bilta Nagapachini Atenke Guwahati along Kisu Paklang Dam et Api. Dipu Ahem Kewang Tu Ahut. Tisu Apan Ketheklong Le Alam Klanglo. Kumane Ketheklong Abang Pubang Piatun. Lakha 7577947973 a mobile along birta ke pg aphan ahem asor nima itp pen chunung receive pachini
Biota bang kila pas kang tan paniglo domi thangmi kurwang thu